Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the another chemical properties of the 60A group elements. Part 3rd, Chemistry second year English medium. Already discussed the chemical properties of 60A group elements. The first one is the hydrogen, reaction with hydrogen. All 60A group elements react or combining with the hydrogen to form of a H2E formula type of hydrides. H2E formula type of hydride. Here E is equal to 60A group elements. For example, H2O hydrogen oxide, next H2S hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen selenide, hydrogen telluride. That is the type of H2E type of hydrides. H2E type of hydrides. Next another one, no, reaction with oxygen. That is the second chemical property, that is the reaction with oxygen. 60A group elements react or combining with the oxygen, or all 60A group elements react with the oxygen or combining with the oxygen to form of a EO2 and EO3 type of oxides. For example, here is the EO2 type. It is also called as dioxides. EO2 also called as a dioxides and EO3 also called as a trioxides. Here E is equal to 60A group elements: sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium elements. For example, here is the O3. O3 also called as a ozone. Next another one, sulfur reactor combining with the oxygen to form of a sulfur dioxide. Here is the two compound, ozone and sulfur dioxide. Two compounds also exist a gaseous nature. Here is the ozone also called as a gas, remaining also sulfur dioxide is the gas. Here is the two compound, ozone and sulfur dioxide. Two compound also gases, remaining selenium dioxide. It is also called as a EO2 type of dioxide. Selenium dioxide is a solid. Remaining here is the dioxide, sulfur dioxide and tellurium dioxide. Those two compounds also reductions nature. Those two compounds are exist reduction nature. Here is the reductions means that the addition of hydrogens or removal of oxygens. The reductions nature, here is the top to bottom. For example, sulfur dioxide to tellurium dioxide, reductions nature decreases because of in any group top to bottom non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature increases. Or gain of electrons is decreases to the top to bottom and loss of electrons is more. Losses of electrons nature also increases in top to bottom. So here is the any group, non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature increases. So here is the reductions in nature. Sulfur dioxide to tellurium dioxides, reductions in nature decreases because of top to bottom non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature increases. So sulfur dioxide to tellurium dioxide, reductions in nature decreases. Next, here is the selenium dioxide is the oxidant. Here is the only sulfur dioxide, tellurium dioxide also, two compounds also reductions in nature, but here is the selenium dioxide also oxidant. Here is the addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen atom. That is also called as a oxidant. So here is the selenium dioxide's compound is a oxidant, remaining sulfur dioxide and tellurium dioxide also reductions. That is the reductions in nature. Remaining another one, EO3 type of oxide, it is also called as a trioxide. For example, sulfur trioxide, selenium trioxide, tellurium trioxides. Next remaining EO2 and EO3, dioxides and trioxide, both are acidic nature. Here is the metal nature and non-metal nature. Because of oxygen, sulfur is the non-metal, selenium, tellurium is the metallite, and polonium is the metal. So here is the two compounds, dioxides and trioxides. Both has a acidic nature. Here is the dioxides and trioxides are existed the acidic nature. Both of the dioxides and trioxides have a acidic nature. Next another one, third one is the reaction with the halogens. Reaction with halogen. All 6A group elements react with the halogens or halides to form of a three type of halides. That is also known as a EX6, EX4, EX2. Halogens means that 7th group elements also called as a halogens, that indicated by the X. X is also called as a 7th group elements. Those are 7th group elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Those elements also called as a halides or halogens. Those halogens or halides are react with the 6A group elements to form of a three type of halides, that is the hexahalides, tetrahalides, dihalides. Hexa means that the 6. Next one, tetra means that the 4, di means that the 2. That is the stability of the halides. Stability of the halides decreases top to bottom. That is the fluorine is greater than chlorine, chlorine is greater than bromine, bromine is greater than iodine. 7th group elements or halogens are highly electronegative elements in modern periodic table. Here is the highly electronegativity elements of the fluorine, Fo minus. Here is the more stable of remaining of chlorine, bromine and iodine. Next another one. Here is the halogen elements combining with the 6A group elements to form of a hexahalides and tetrahalides and dihalides. In three compounds, hexafluorides are the more stable due to the hexafluorides are existed the gaseous nature. So hexafluorides, hexa means that the 6 fluorine atom combining with the 6A group elements to form of a hexafluoride. For example, SF6 sulfur hexafluoride, that has a gaseous nature and existed the octahedral structure and undergo sp3d3 hybridization. For example, here is the sulfur bonding with the 6 fluorine atom to form of a octahedral structure. Here is the fluorine atom. Octahedral structure, the more stable. It has a gas nature and undergo sp3d3 hybridization. sp3d3 hybridization and existed a octahedral structure. So here is the hexafluorides are the more stable remaining of the tetrafluorides and difluorides. Next another one. Sulfur tetrafluoride is the gas. Sulfur tetrafluoride is a gas. Selenium tetrafluoride is the liquid. Tellurium tetrafluoride is the solid. Different natures are existed in sulfur tetrafluoride, selenium tetrafluoride and tellurium tetrafluoride. Selenium tetrafluoride is the gas nature. Selenium tetrafluoride is the liquid. Sulfur tetrafluoride is the gas. Tellurium tetrafluoride also solid. That is the different states of the gases and liquid and solids nature of the tetrafluorides. Next another one, difluoride, dioxide difluoride, OF2, O2F2. Next OF2. Here is the difluorides, that is also known as a EX2 type of halides. O2F2 and OF2 also known as a EX2 type of halides, and that is the EX6, EX4, EX2 dihalides, tetrafluorides and hexafluorides also react with the 6A group elements to form of a different type of halides, hexafluorides and tetrafluorides and difluorides. Next another one, that is the chemical properties of the 6A group elements. Remaining another one, preparation of the dioxygen. Here is the 6a group element. First element is the oxygen. It has a low atomic size and absent of the d orbital, low atomic size, high electronegativity, and absent of the d orbital. So it exists as a anomalous properties of the oxygen element in 6a group elements. So here in the 6a group element, first elements existed the different physical properties and physicochemical properties and anomalous properties due to the absence of the d orbital, low atomic size, high nuclear charge, and highly electronegativity atom, that is the minus charge, more nuclear charge, that is the anomalous properties of the oxygen. Remaining preparation of the dioxygen. Preparation of the dioxygen. Dioxygen general formula O2. It is prepared from the laboratory method. In laboratory method, dioxin is prepared by the some of the oxygen consist the such as a salts like that chlorates, permanganates and nitrates. For example, here is the heating of the oxygen. Heating of the oxygen containing salts such as a chlorates and nitrates and permanganates. That here is the heating of the oxygen consisting. Here is the oxygen existing such as a compound of chlorate. Here is the potassium chlorate exists the oxygen. Next, potassium permanganate exists the oxygen or containing the oxygen. Those compound heating with the salts, that like that potassium chlorates and permanganates, those two compounds are existed the oxygen. So here is the heating of the oxygen containing the salts of potassium chlorate. Then here is the form of dioxygen. Remaining another one, potassium permanganate existed the oxygen. It is a salts of potassium permanganate. So here is the oxygen considered salts. So like that the potassium permanganate heating with the high temperature, then form of dioxygen and manganese dioxide. That is also called as a laboratory method. In first preparation, dioxin is prepared by the laboratory method. And second one, thermal decomposition of oxides of the metal. Thermal decomposition of oxides of metal. For example, silver oxide. Silver oxide is decomposes to form of the dioxygen. Remaining also mercury oxide and lead tetroxide. Those compounds are decomposed. That is the oxides of the metal. Like that silver oxide and mercury oxide and lead tetroxide. That is the oxides of the metals are decomposes, then form of the dioxide. That is the second process. And the third one is the decomposition of the hydrogen peroxide in the presence of the catalyst, such that manganese dioxide, like that here manganese dioxide. Here is the dioxygen is prepared by the third method is the decomposition of the hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide general formula H2O2. Here is the H2O2 also known as a hydrogen peroxide. It is decomposes in the presence of catalyst manganese dioxide, then form of water and dioxygen. That is the three methods of the preparation of the dioxygen. Next, another one, physicochemical properties of the dioxygen. Here is the oxygen is a colorless gas, colorless and odorless gas. It has a colorless and odorless gas. Next, another one, dioxygen is soluble in water. Here is the oxygen is soluble in water. Next, another one, oxygen melting point. Its melting point is the 90 kelvins and freezes point to 55 kelvins. It is soluble in water molecule and melting. It has a melting point 90 kelvins and freezes point to 55 kelvins. It has a 3 more stable isotopes. 3 more stable isotopes. Isotopes means that here is the same elements, different mass number and same atomic number. That also known as a isotope. Here is the, it has a 3 stable isotope, that is the oxygen 816, oxygen 817, oxygen 818. that is the stable isotopes of the oxygen. Next another one, oxygen react with the metals and non-metals. So for example, phosphorus react with the oxygen to form of a phosphorus pentoxide. Calcium react with the oxygen to form of a calcium oxide. It is also known as a quick flame. That is the metal. And non-metal, carbon react or combining with the oxygen to form of a carbon dioxide. Next another one, different metals and non-metals are combining with the oxygen to form of a dioxide and monoxide and tetroxide and pentoxide. That is the combining with the metals and non-metal. That is also known as a reactions with the metals and non-metal. Remaining another one, sulfur dioxide combining with the oxygen in the presence of the vanadium pentoxide to form of a sulfur trioxide. That is the reaction of the sulfur dioxide. Next remaining another one, uses of the dioxygen. Dioxygen is used in respiration process, respiration and combination process. It is used in the respiration and combination process. Next another one, oxyacetylene is used in the welding. That is the preparation of the metals and non-metals in industries purpose. Remaining another one, oxygen cylinders are used in the high altitude of the mountaineers or flying of the mountaineers. Next one, another one, here is the combination process also used in the dioxygen or liquid oxygen. That is also uses of the dioxygen. That is the preparation of the dioxygens and physicochemical properties and uses of the dioxygen. Dioxygen is used in the respiration system and combinations. Next another one, dioxygen is used in the oxyacetylene welding in the manufacture of the many metals in the industrial, for like that steel industry. Next another one, hospitals, high altitude flying and mountaineer requiring oxygen cylinders. Remaining another one, it is also used combinations of fuels such as a hydrogen. That is the uses of the oxygen.